Hello, this short video is for my students and other language nerds. In my recent post I've mentioned about learning vocabulary, I've mentioned the keyword technique. I didn't explain it, obviously implying that everyone should know about it, but as it happens, a lot of my students asked me to explain what the keyword technique actually is. This is a pretty basic, simple technique, but very effective technique and well-researched technique. This is a good way of helping remember vocabulary. This technique actually was described by Paul Nation in his famous book Strategies and Techniques for Teaching Vocabulary. So the technique itself involves two steps. First of all, you have to think of a word in your first language that sounds like the word in English which you want to remember. And this will be your keyword. After that, you think of an image involving the meaning of the English word and the meaning of the keyword in your language. Well, it is important that you actually visualize this image in your mind. For example, and these examples have been taken from the book by Paul Nation. If you are Indonesian and you want to remember the meaning of the English word parrot, for example, then you can use the Indonesian word parit, sorry if I mispronounce it, meaning ditch as the key word. You then imagine a parrot in a ditch, something like that. So the keyword performs two functions here. To provide a form link, for example, parit, parrot, and to provide a meaning link, parrot, ditch. One more example. If you are Thai and you want to learn the English word council, for example, then you can use as the keyword, again, sorry if I mispronounce it, the Thai phrase khao san, which means uncooked rice. You then think of the meaning of uncooked rice in an image with the meaning of council. For example, some people sitting around the table with a pile of uncooked rice on it. This then helps you attach the meaning of council to the form of council. The keyword technique works because it makes you process more than one feature of a word, its form and its meaning. And this processing is not shallow in the way that exact repetition is shallow, when you just repeat this word. The only limit is your imagination. It should also be noted that the keyword doesn't have to sound exactly like the foreign word to be learned. And it doesn't have to be like all of the word. If the form of the keyword is like the beginning of the foreign word, then that is probably enough. In research, the keyword technique typically results in 25% more learning than other deliberate learning activities. So if you have more questions about this technique or about learning vocabulary or learning language in general, please write and ask questions. Thank you.